this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on the best deepfake AI tools that is available right here. So right here guys, you want to walk with me from the beginning of this video to the very end. So right here guys, the first tool I'm going to show you is this tool called the Remaker.ai. Remaker.ai is an AI face swap online whereby you can easily face swap. This is a free online face changer that allows you to swap heads and replace faces in photos. We also have the multiple face swap, which swap multiple faces in family photos, wedding photos, and party photos. And we also have the video face swap, whereby you swap faces in videos, enhancing filmmaking or creating engaging content for social media right here. And these are some AI tools by the Remaker AI. So right here guys, all you want to do is to simply go on to face swap now, and it's going to take you right onto this page. So right here guys, for the sweep first, all you want to do is to upload the image. So I'm just going to upload a particular image right here. So this is it. Now you want to simply upload your swap image right there. So I'm just going to do this and upload this as my swap image. So once you're done, you click onto swap, and it's just going to generate the image right here. And guys, this is it right here. We have been able to swap these images right here, and this is the result right here. So you can easily just download right now into your device. So right here guys, you can also make use of the video swap face, whereby you can easily just upload a video and swipe that particular video right here. So right here guys, for the video swap face, you just want to simply upload the video right there. So guys, you can decide to just upload this particular video right here. It's going to upload the video real quick. So once you're done uploading the video, the next is to upload the target face. I'm just going to do just that. Once you're done, you want to simply click onto swap right here. So guys, that is it. So the next one you want to do is to go onto this second tool called the vid noise. So if you go onto the free AI tools and go onto this fast sweep, it's going to take you. So right here guys, on vid noise, you can go onto the free AI tools and you get access to the face swap right here, which is a free tool right here. So this is the AI face swap online free. You upload your photos or videos to swap the face, be whoever you want right there, and you can make use of the photo face swap or the video face swap. So right here guys, for the photo face swap, the first thing you want to do is to upload a photo. So you can easily just scroll down and simply just upload a particular photo right here. And once you're done, you go on to the upload the other photo, which is the target face photo. So you click on to upload and simply just upload that particular photo. So this is it, and once you're done, you click onto swap face now, and it's going to do this within a few minutes. And with this right now, we have been able to swap the particular face right here. So if you simply go onto the video face swap, you can easily do the same. Simply upload a photo. So right here guys, you can decide to upload a video right now. Let's simply upload this particular. Let's simply drag and drop this video. So this is it. The next thing is to upload a photo. So you can easily just upload any photo right here. I'm just going to upload this. And once you're done, click onto swap face now, and it's going to prepare your video right here. And this may take a few minutes, but it's going to be done right here. As you can see, it's going to detect the face right here. And this free face swapper might only support the first 10 seconds of the video to be generated. One of the good things about the vidnos.com is that you do not have no watermark. None of the video that is being generated as a no watermark, and you get access to 1000 photos by simply just going onto the upgrade section. That is the pricing plan of the AI swap right here, whereby if you simply just go onto the. So right here guys, if you want to simply take your face swap to the next level, you want to simply upgrade now by simply going onto the vidnos pricing section right here, whereby the monthly you get access to 80 credits, which is $4.99 per month. We have the half yearly, which is $12.99, and the yearly credits, which is $19.99. So you want to simply subscribe to any of this plan right here to enjoy more of the vidnos AI face swap right there. So the next tool that you can also try out right here, you can also try out the swipe face right here, whereby this is the most light hyper realistic real-time tool, whereby it is an easy to use AI beauty filter tools in the world. So you want to do is to download from Windows, and you get access to the swap face, and it works just like the Remaker.ai actually works, whereby you can easily just swap your face and also video swap face right here, whereby if you simply just upload the photo, upload the target face, you click onto swap, and that will be done right there. So that is how the swap face actually works right there. So this is how you can easily make use of these three best deepfake AI tools right here. We have the Remaker.ai, we also have the vidnos AI face swap, and also the swap face right here.